Hello, Facebook Live, Jamie here. Hi, everybody. Happy Monday to everybody, and hope you had a good weekend. I know here at Aroma Time we had an awesome weekend. It was not as busy as normal, but busier than I expected it to be with Halloween. Hope everybody had a happy Halloween. Hope everybody stayed safe out there. And let's see, and we are on to another week. We are into November, so happy November to everybody. This is the month to be thankful. I know that I say that all the time. I'm super thankful for so much in my life. Thank you everybody for your support. We totally appreciate that, and we are very, very grateful for all the support that we've gotten. We have seen an influx of grocery orders this past week. I guess as it gets colder, we'll see an influx of people ordering more groceries to go and bottles of wine and to-go orders. And so happy Monday to everybody. Thank you so much for watching me. If you are watching this live, you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching this on the replay, hashtag replay. And that only helps bring up the views, and it shows more on other people's posts and other people's Facebook live streams. So thank you everybody. Hello Matthew, hello Stan. I appreciate everybody watching us. I'm excited about this new drink, today. But before we get started on my drink, because I do a drink of the day every day, tonight is buy one, get one free wing night. They are all smoked wings, and you can have hot or barbecue. That is for takeout only. We are open with limited seats tonight inside. I know Marcus talked about this a little bit on his Facebook Live, I think this morning. We did have a few requests for people to sit outside this weekend. It was really cold, and we are just not going to put our staff through that, and we're not going to force them to be outside. So if you do want to sit outside, you can place a takeout order, and you are more than welcome to enjoy our garden. I know the weather is supposed to get warmer this week. It's supposed to be in the 60s this weekend, so our garden will be open. But if it is freezing outside and really cold, we don't want you to be uncomfortable, so make sure that if you do want to get takeout and do want to sit outside, you dress warm, bring blankets. The fire is not always on every night during the midweek now, but if it's warmer out, we'll be happy to make a fire, turn on the heaters for you so that you can sit outside. But our inside dining room is open with limited seats, so we do recommend reservations, 647-3000. Takeout is available. We do have a wine dinner tonight, so we do have limited tables available, but takeout is always available. So thanks everybody for watching. Hello Nikki. Let's see, a quick note on Thanksgiving. We're doing takeout only this year, $27 a person. Call ahead. You need to give us at least a week ahead of time so we can prepare. We do have turkey dinner with all different sides, and then we have a vegan vegetarian option. We'll have salmon, brisket. I know we'll be doing some other things like our hummus and cheese plates and things like that to go. So give us a call ahead of time, 647-3000. We are taking credit cards to hold those reservations. Every year, it just seems that somehow or another people show up with only 2 people instead of 4 people, and we've turned people away. So this year, takeout only, and in order to hold your takeout order, we are taking a credit card for that. So, and then you can pick up between 11 and 2 on Thanksgiving. So thank you everybody, I appreciate it. Hope everybody's having a great Monday. Today we are going to make a cold brew Negroni. We are going to be using this coffee liqueur. It's a cold brew, Mr. Black it's called. And where is this from? Australia. It's an Australian product. So blend of cold brew and a wheat spirit, Australian wheat spirit. So you can drink this neat, you can drink it in a martini, and I'm gonna make a Negroni today with it. We're gonna use Zamaro, which is our substitute for Campari, and we are going to use gin. So Negronis typically have gin, sweet vermouth, and Campari. And so mine today has Mr. Cold Brew, Mr. Black, gin, and Campari, so which is our Zamaro. So It's equal parts, so it's 3 equal parts, so it's 1 ounce of each. So I will pour 1 ounce of each into a shaker. And I was actually wondering if I should use a cherry or an orange in this, and I think a cherry. I don't think an orange would really go that great in it, but it might. Coffee and chocolate and orange, I don't know. So, but I'm gonna use a cherry. So 1 ounce of Zamaro. Wow, there's lots of new names on here today. Hello Blanca, hello Nikki. Nice to see everybody on today. And 1 ounce of gin. So there you go, I'm gonna shake that up. Thank you everybody for watching me. I'm gonna pour it into my glass. I like my Negronis neat, but you can put it on the rocks if you'd like. I'm gonna add a filthy cherry. So these are awesome cherries. These are Italian wild cherries in some syrup. These are awesome, awesome cherries. We have them for sale here, this container. I am going to take I'm gonna take 2 cherries. 2 cherries and a little cherry juice and mix that in there. And let's see how that tastes today. Cheers to everybody. Maybe this will help me stay up. Oh, that's kind of nice. Oh, that's yummy. I was up early this morning. The time change gets me every year. I wake up early and earlier. I was actually in the restaurant at about 6:15 this morning working. So I've already had a full day in the office. And then hopefully this will help keep me up. This has some coffee in it. Marcus will enjoy this too. He said, So thanks everybody. I appreciate it. Stay safe out there. We will be on the road Tuesday and Wednesday. So catch our Facebook Lives. We will be up in the Finger Lakes. And we will be stopping at wineries that we buy from, that we've built relationships with. We'll be stopping at one new winery actually. We've tasted their wine before, but we've never been there, and so we're excited about that. And so stay tuned for those on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Hopefully Thursday afternoon I'll be back with my happy hour live. Maybe we'll do a wine time live as well while we're out. And hope everybody has an awesome couple of days, and we will see you soon. Cheers.